I'm supposed to be, but no, it's pink.
It's blue.
It's pink,
The
Donnie.
shoe is blue.
That
I see
is
gray
a-
background
Donnie,
and
that's
it's blue.
It's a Vans, and it's a lady's sneaker, and that is pink.
All right. So what color is this stinking shoe, man? This has been an argument for days now, really.
Yeah.
Well,
Tara, what do you
Tara,
think?
what color is this shoe?
I see pink and white.
Pink
I'm
and
pink and white, Tara.
I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it.
Jen, what color?
Pink and white.
Pink and white. See?
That
Told
doesn't
you.
make any sense. They're saying that if it's pink and white, then you're in your
got
right
a left
brain.
brain. You got a
I've got a
left
left
brain.
brain, but I'm left-handed. Left-handed people are supposed to be in their right mind. The right half of your brain controls the left half of your body, and vice
All right,
versa.
can we agree that this is the
We
best
can.
biscuits and gravy
Oh my
in the
God,
world?
it's so good. We're hanging at Murphy's in Redford. This establishment has been in business and a part of the Redford community for 36 years, owned by the same family. Tara, whose opinion we were just getting, her family has owned this establishment since day one, and they are all about the Irish.
They sure are. You know it's Irish when they have Irish letters on their menu.
That's really
That's
the
the
defining.
Irish font. They've got a clock. Turn around, man. They got a clock counting down to St. Patrick's Day. That's how Irish they are here.
Only 152 days to go, people, just so you know.
They're
Start getting
counting it
that outfit
down.
now.
And you know, one of the things Murphy's is famous for, Murphy's Law.
Right?
And Murphy's adheres to all the Murphy's laws.
Did you know there are a lot of Murphy's Laws? I thought there was like one Murphy's
There's
Law.
one.
Turns out there's a ton of them.
The most famous Murphy's Law is, you've heard this. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong.
Right.
That's what we're talking about.
But it's not the only one. Did
It's
you know
not.
there's a Murphy's Law that says celibacy is not hereditary?
There's also one that says the other line always moves faster. Isn't that a fact?
Oh my God, it certainly is, especially if it says 10 items or less, like just awful.
Okay.
When in doubt, mumble. When in trouble, delegate.
Okay.
How about that?
How about never play leapfrog with a unicorn?
That is good advice. That is good advice, I have to say. Beauty is only skin deep. Ugly goes to the bone.
Ouch, me buckle.
Oh my God, right? Grown man, just checking. All right, so unicorn, you got any other Murphy's Law?
I do. If you try to please everybody, you'll please nobody.
Joel tries to please.
I do. I'm an over-pleaser, and I'm very pleased with the fine camaraderie and service and excellence of Murphy's right here.
It is a really cool,
Yep.
just like
Checking out.
round the corner diner. They're not putting on any airs. This is not a black tie event, but it is certainly a place to get some great food. They're known for their corned beef hash. These biscuits and gravy are to die for. The gravy is absolutely amazing.
Get
Yeah,
out of
try
there.
it, Steven. You know what? You can have a spoon. I don't blame you. If
I don't
you
want
try
your
it.
food.
We
I don't
use
want
utensils,
Steven's
Steven.
still-
We're civilized
Steven's all
people.
butthurt because we ate his tacos last week. He's still upset
maybe,
about it.
maybe he was playing unicorn with a leapfrog.
Leapfrog with
Maybe he was playing leapfrog with a unicorn, and that's why
Hey,
that.
a bird in the hand is
He
better
doesn't
than a bird
follow
overhead.
Murphy's Law.
A bird in the hand is better than a bird overhead, says Steven.
you what.
That is sage advice right there. So anyway, delicious food here at Murphy's, and Redford's got a lot going on. Joel, what have they got coming up?
Tonight at the Redford Library, it's Haunted Michigan. It's a symposium and a speech, what do they call it? Presentation kind
Right.
of thing. A lecture, that's the word I was
There
looking
may be
for.
some ghosts there as well. You don't know.
Haunted Michigan!
I
And
love
also,
haunted
don't
stuff.
forget, on Sunday, it's the Farmers Market happening at the Marquee, 10 o'clock Sunday morning.
And that's only going on for 2 more weeks because obviously it's getting colder.
We're
So
running
if
out
you
of
want to
fall.
get your Redford
Get
market
your Redford
time
in here. Redford
then,
rocks.
yeah. All right, so there you have it. We're going to finish eating our delicious biscuits and gravy. Steven got the corned beef hash, which Murphy's is also known for.
Corned beef sandwich.
You got a... Pardon me, you got the corned beef sandwich. They're known for the corned beef hash as well as the corned beef sandwich. Thank you for your critique, Steven.
Thank you, Steven.
Hold on, what color shoe did you see, Steven?
Black and white.
Black and white.
Colorblind.
Stupid colorblind, Steven. He really is.
All right,
Yeah.
okay.
All right. Well, despite your crippling dysfunction, we gotta go.
See you later.